Hello friends, welcome to my channel Real Growth Tech Digital Marketing. Today's topic is about ChatGPT and Python. With the help of ChatGPT, how you can resize the image in 5 minutes, within 5 minutes. So I will show you how you can use both Python and ChatGPT to resize the image in few seconds, in few minutes. So before that, I want to explain in detail about what is ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is a artificial intelligence tool or a software created by OpenAI.com. With this ChatGPT, you can create unlimited SEO contents and can create video scripts and more. You can ask any question, it is capable of answering to your questions. Okay, so with this help of ChatGPT and Python, so I will show you how to resize the image in within 5 minutes. Let's go to my computer screen. I will start doing the process. Okay, this is my laptop screen. Go to the Google Chrome. Log into your Google Chrome account. Type openai.com. Okay, here scroll down, go to ChatGPT. So page will open. Go try ChatGPT. Here the dashboard will open. Here write a Python code to resize to resize the image and click this button. So here you will find complete code to resize the image. Now copy this code, go to your Jupyter notebook. This is my Jupyter notebook. Create a new file, a new Python notebook. So you'll find the page like this. Here type pip install pillow. Right, pip install pillow and click run button. With the help of this library, you can resize the image. See, showing requirement already satisfied. Now you paste this code here. After pasting this code, so copy your image path, which one you have to resize the image. Go to your folder. I will go to my folder download file. I will copy this image. I will right click on properties. Here copy the path. You copy this complete path here. Copy and go to your Jupyter notebook and paste it here. Here you have to make some changes. Here instead of backward slash, you make it /. Okay, with image dot open, so your path as name is im. So in im, if so see the im resize is equal to im dot resize. The resize will be 128 into 128. Now see the magic here. So click on run button. See now your image is completely resized to 128 to 128. To check this, type im underscore resize. Click on run button. See, the image is completely resized. Before resizing the image size is bigger than this. I will show you. See, earlier it was bigger size, now it is smaller size. So if you want to see the shape of this image, type im dot width. Run the code. See 640, width is 640. Type im dot height and click run. See 497. Earlier it was bigger, now it was small size 128 into 128. If you want to check this image size, click im underscores resized dot width. Run this. See, width is 128. Again type im underscore resized dot height. Click on run button. See, image resize dot width is 128, image resize dot height 128. This size is equal to 128 into 128. Earlier it was bigger size, that is 640 into 497. This is how in a one click you can resize your image with the help of ChatGPT. Now this image is saved to your Jupyter Notebook file. So go to your Jupyter Notebook file management, scroll down. Here you will find the JPG image. See image resize.jpg. Click on this. See your resized image is saved to your Jupyter Notebook file. I hope this video will help a lot to resize your image as per your requirements. You can resize any number of images with the help of ChatGPT and Python. So don't forget to share, comment, like and subscribe to my channel. So in future also I will bring same kind of videos which will enhance your knowledge. Thank you. Bye bye.